Bye. Hey beautiful people, my name is Charlotta if you're new here, and today we're gonna braid hair. This is Sophia Aurora. I'm gonna do this as voiceover because the fan in the bathroom is so loud. I thought it would be nicer, and this way I can speed it up as well in parts. So first I just start with sectioning up the hair that I want to braid, and this time it is the fringe. You will want to tie up the rest of your hair so you don't mix it in while braiding. So the hair that I have here in front will be turned into one braid, one fringe braid, and I do add a little bit of water or gel because it makes it easier to braid when it is a little bit damp compared to really silky and dry hair. And then you turn it into 3 sections here in the beginning, 1, 2, 3, and you go under the middle part 1 time, and again under the middle part 2 times, and 1 more time under the middle part, and you pull it straight and really tight so you get a good beginning to your braid. So here I'm just straightening out the hair, then I go under the middle, and I take a new section of hair into that part, and now pull it really tight as you can, and straightening out that hair, and then you go under the middle again. This time you don't take any new hair, only on the part that is towards your fringe. Sorry, that is Sophia in the background making noises, T-Rex noises. And this is basically how you continue all the way till the edge of your forehead. So now just keep adding a section of hair every time you are towards your hairline, and the other side you just leave without, if that makes sense. So now I'm adding a section, and then the next 2 I'm leaving without 1, and now you can see the fringe turning into a braid here. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because it's just the same thing over and over again. If you need to, you can always pause and go back and see how I did that. Now that I came to the edge of my forehead here, I'm gonna start moving this braid towards the ear and behind the ear. So now I'm starting to take in hair for every section. I'm taking more hair in. There you go. So I'll take it from the outside now as well. So first part, you don't take any hair on the outside of the fringe braid. But here I'm taking it on both sides once I come towards the ear. So I move it towards where I want the braid to move, if that makes sense. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to reply. Some of the questions you left on my older braiding videos I've replied to in videos, so I do my best to reply if anyone has any questions. Okay, so now I'm adding more to each section again and moving the whole braid towards my ear so I can pull it behind it afterwards. And once I used up all the hair that I wanted to use in this fringe, I just straight braid the rest of it. Sometimes I leave my hair just like this, just one braid in the fringe. But in this video I am now going to add some more braids, and it's basically the same technique. It's just sectioned up hair, and then I decide where I want the braid to move towards and simply go under the middle and adding sections to it. So this will be the other side, kind of side fringe, maybe you could call it. And now I'm tying up my hair again, and then I'm starting from the smallest hairs up on the edge of my forehead. And this one is the trickiest part, to get all of those small hairs pulled inside, so I do usually put a little bit of gel to keep that under control. And this part I am adding sections to both sides, as this will move towards behind the ear again. I'm just adding a little bit of hair to every section and pulling it as tight as possible under the middle and under the middle again. That was greetings from Sophia. Okay, here we go, speeding up and adding to every section. Why Queen Sophia want to take part of this video? We shall allow her to. Now I came towards the end of this one, so now I'm just straight braiding all the way till the top. And here's another Viking braid style. That was Lagatha from Vikings. Have you watched the series? If you're watching this tutorial, I am guessing that you've probably seen Vikings. So then I want to ask you, which one was your favorite season of all the seasons? The last one came out, season 6 part 2 came out in January 2021 this year. It wasn't my favorite season. I think the first one was my favorite season. That's usually the case with all series. The first one is always the best. Anyways, here I'm just adding the last braid, and then I'm gonna tie it into a little ponytail in the back. And you of course decide how many sections you want to add to your hair. You can just make the fringe, or you can add all of them. You can continue the braids all the way down to your neck as well. You decide how you want to do your braids. This is just one idea. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you in next video. Do subscribe if you're new here, and I hope to see you soon, yeah? Bye bye! Ha det bra!
Open sesame.
What's inside? Another delivery. This one is from Liedy. Liedy MC channel, Canada. Well, David is going wild with the unwrapping. I need help because I'm holding baby Sophia here. We are doing a bit of skin to skin while Daddy is opening the package over here.
Wow.
What's inside? There is a letter that says Charlotta, David, and Sophia Aurora. Sophia Aurora. Oh,
Yeah.
so cute. I love the wrapping. Those ones look like
Muslin necessities.
Moses and washcloths. Perfect. Look at all the wrappings you use. So cute.
Yeah. Oh.
Liedy, that's so pretty.
Wow.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness me, Sophia's gonna be the cutest this summer. What else do we have in here? Gently open it. Oh, I love that pattern. Looks very American with the stars, doesn't it?
Oh. This one's gonna be 6 to 9 as well. But no, 0 to 3.
Ooh la la, she can wear that very soon then. I'm gonna send you a picture, Liedy, once she fits inside.
Thank you,
this one.
Liedy.
Eventually she'll fit into that one.
Wow.
So pretty. You sent so many things.
You
Oh
should
my
wrap it up
goodness.
all beautiful and stuff.
Right? So white bodysuit.
Nice, cute white bodysuit.
And then they look very soft. Sophia says, thank you very
We
much.
are blessed. We are blessed.
Okay, the card. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh my, oh my. My, oh my. Oh, pretty stripes. Picasso stripes. Oh, look at those buttons. Oh, Sophia.
3 to 6 months.
Oh, you need to grow so I can dress you in this. That's so pretty.
Some pants.
Liedy has sent you so many clothes. This is so lovely. And the bed is filled with wrapping now.
Thank you, Liedy.
Where did you put the card?
Liedy. Is it Liedy or Liedy?
Liedy.
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 D-Y, yes.
Once upon a time, a precious baby girl was born. She was every dream come true in one beautiful bundle of joy. Yes, indeed. Indeed. And from that moment on, the world was filled with a little more sweetness and a lot more love. Such an exciting time in your lives. She'll bring you to a whole new love. Dear Charlotta and David, Wishing you a lifetime of happy ever afters with your new daughter. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you two. Love, Liedy and Bill. XOXO.
How lovely. We will keep this and treasure it forever. One day she can read it herself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Liedy and Bill.
This was very thoughtful of you guys. Thank you.
Awesome.